What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be explaining the Williams percentage range report in edgeful.com. So we're in the indicator report type. Obviously, we're looking at the Williams percentage range. We're looking at platinum in the New York session in the last year. So in this video, I'm going to cover the standard and by intraday instances. I'm going to tell you what they mean. They're pretty kind of linked. So standard, which is the one I have selected right now, shows you how many bars on average the Williams percentage range will go overbought and oversold. So one thing that's really important is the customization here. So here you need to make sure that you're looking at the proper time frame, because obviously the Williams percentage range, very similar to RSI, will change based on the time frame you're looking at. So here we have the 15-minute. Now I'm going to go to the 15-minute here, and on TradingView, what you can do is right here is the Williams percentage range. I'll just show you how to get it. I'm just going to do Williams percent range. So click on that. You can have it right down here. So what this report shows you is how many consecutive bars generally will be overbought and how many consecutive bars will be oversold. So here's an example. Within this New York session, you can see I'm going to look at the overbought here because price came above this red line, this purple line. So overbought for Williams percentage range is -20, oversold is, or above -20, and then oversold is below -80. So you can see here that it was overbought for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. So you can see that right here. All I did was click shift and then click, but in this case, if you don't want to do that, you can just click on measure, and you can go from where it became overbought to where it goes oversold. You can see that's 5 bars right here, which is perfectly in line with the average consecutive bars. So the way that you use this in your trading is to say, if it goes overbought and I want to get long, or I am long, I should only expect price to stay overbought in this area for about 5 bars. Sometimes it'll go over, and now to the left here we have the max amount. The single highest consecutive streak of overbought bars in the last year was 23 bars on the 15-minute time frame, and then 22 oversold. So this helps you take your profits in the proper areas, or maybe you can start to set runners after the 5th bar, because you should expect price to reverse and then the Williams percent range to fall back within between the -20 and the -80 area. So in this case, that's what this is measuring. Here, the average consecutive bars that price will stay overbought or oversold. Now, the intraday instances one is a little bit different, but this shows how often price will be overbought and then come back down and then go overbought again in the same day. So you can see that it's just under 2 times. So for overbought, and then it's just around 1.5 times for oversold, which means that price comes up, and now I'm ignoring this right here because this is technically pre-market in the New York session. I'm only looking from here to here in this area because that's the New York session. But you can see it goes overbought once, comes back down, so that counts as 1. Now it goes overbought again, and then comes back down. Well, the end of the day would count that as 2, so this day was 2. In this case, it went 0 days or 0 times oversold, but let's look at some other examples here. This is the following day. You can see here, overbought once, and then overbought twice. Let's look at another example. Here is overbought once. So what this report, this intraday instances, similar to the RSI, shows you how often it will go overbought or oversold in one single day. And that's one single day, meaning one session or whatever session you have selected here. So right now we have New York. If you were to select London or Tokyo or Sydney, it would all translate to whatever session you have. So if it does go overbought or oversold twice in one day, you don't really want to expect it to go 3 or 4 or 5 times, because historically that's not going to happen. You should expect around twice or once, 1 to 2 times in one day. So that's how you use this report. that's how you use this report in your trading. This, again, just a little recap, will help you understand where to set your profit targets or where to start to take or start to leave runners just in case there's continuation like there is here in this case. So this consecutive overbought was 13 bars. So at 5, it's a little more safe at 5 bars. So let me just show you what that is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Now you can start to maybe put your stops to break even because you can expect a reversal historically. Obviously it didn't happen in this case, but historically you can start to expect a reversal once we get to about 5 bars overbought. So if you want to see this on ES, NQ, gold, whatever else, just make sure to check out edgeful.com. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps us. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our support. We will always help to answer any questions you have. Thank you.